To remove the project information panel in Filmora by changing the layout, open Filmora and make sure you are in the working area. Look at the top right corner of the screen and find the layout button. Click the layout button to open layout options. Choose the classic option from the list. The project info panel on the right side will disappear, giving you a simpler workspace. You can also explore other layout options. Default, this is the standard layout with the project information panel and full editing tools. So this is what we were working on, which brings the project information panel. Organize, this layout focuses on organizing your media files. It gives more space to the media library and less to the timeline. Timeline, this layout gives maximum space to the timeline area, making it easier to work on detailed edits. Short video, this layout is designed for creating short video quickly, showing only the essential tools for fast editing. So if you want to remove the project panel information from your working area in Filmora, simply use the classic option. But if you use the default, that's where the project information panel will be coming out on your screen. That's how you can change the layout in Filmora to better fit your editing style.